and welcome back. Today's video is an unboxing of the Jeffree Star Mystery Box Valentine's Day Edition 2019. I have been waiting since yesterday to open this sucker up. It just arrived yesterday, still sealed, haven't dipped into it. I've been waiting to film. So I actually ordered 2 boxes. I ordered this little mini one, which is the $40 box, and I ordered the $75 deluxe one. The shipping is a little bit strange right now, so I purchased them right when they came out. It has been about a week and I just received the first box. I didn't receive any kind of shipping confirmation. I didn't get told that my box had been sent out with the, tracking and all of that. This one just randomly showed up at my doorstep yesterday. And it wasn't until at the very end of the night that I actually got a tracking for the larger box, but that one says it's still not going to arrive until later on during the week. I was planning to do a unboxing of both the mini and the larger box at the same time, but since that one's not going to be here for a few days, I thought I might as well do an unboxing of the mini one first, so that way you guys can see this one, and then as soon as I get the larger box, I will do an unboxing of that one later on and post that as soon as I can. Because I am very impatient and I have a mystery box in front of me that I want to rip into. It's still sealed. I'm ready to dive into it. I'm gonna rip into it. Do I have scissors? No. I'm gonna use the edge of my tweezers. Get into it. So this box is $40, or at least it was $40. Don't know if they will be restocking it. I'm not sure if it was a one and done kind of sale. I haven't heard anything about that, but it does say for the $40 box, you're supposed to get a savings of $75. This is what happens when you're too impatient. So here's what it looks like when you open her up. Let's unbox this together. Woo! Oh, it's all falling. Ooh! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh man. All right. There is a few items here. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Let's start with the first one right here. No. What? I'm sorry. Okay. First up, we have a liquid lipstick. This is the shade Can't Relate. So this was part of their holiday collection, I'm pretty sure. I have not tested out any of his liquid lipsticks before. I only have one item by him, which is the Liquid Frost, the Frozen Peach. I really enjoy that one. That's the only item I've ever purchased from Jeffree Star, so I'm pretty excited. I'm getting a huge bundle of his stuff to just try out at once. And I'm very happy with this first shade so far. This is a really wearable color. Oh man, just look at that packaging. I love the hint of glitter around it. That is so cute. And this liquid lipstick, by the way, is $18. Here's what a swatch of Can't Relate looks like. Oh man, that is a gorgeous nude. I need to put this on. Just wiped away what I already had on, and I'm gonna plop this baby on. This is totally my shade right here. I got really lucky. This is my perfect kind of nude lipstick look. I mean, if you look back at all my videos, I wear a very soft pinky kind of nude, and this is gorgeous. I am very excited. Oh wow, and it's actually drying down really fast. That's impressive. Can't relate. Sorry, I had to. Ooh, okay. Next up, we got ourselves another liquid lipstick. This one is in Watermelon Soda. This is one of his permanent colors. That's why it has the pink cap. It's not a part of a holiday collection. Let me do a swatch of this one. Ooh, wow, that is bright. Went ahead and put it right next to Can't Relate. That is a very hot pink. One of the really cool things about Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks though is that they are 100% eye safe. I could see this being used as a really wicked liner. I'm seeing some inspiration here for a Valentine's Day look. Which, why not? We're here. I'm gonna wipe off the Can't Relate liquid lipstick and apply this one and see how that looks on. Also, is it supposed to smell like watermelon? It smells exactly like it. Very sweet and really nice. I was looking on his website to see if I could see if it's supposed to have a scent. It doesn't say anything, but maybe I'm crazy. smells really good. Also, looking at the website, I did read that this was the top selling shade of the summer collection last year, I believe, so pretty cool. It's definitely a color that's a little bit out of the box for me, but I'm not mad at it. It's very pretty, which I'm actually getting quite a nice collection of liquid lips here because the third product in the box is another liquid lipstick. This is also a part of the Alien collection, which I found out the previous one, I did have to look online, the Can't Relate was a part of the Alien collection too. I thought it was the Holiday, but Alien collection, guys. I got 2 from them. This new shade I have to show you is Triggered, which this packaging is gorgeous. I love how sparkly it is. Whoa, look at that. That is a really dark, vampy plum shade. Oh my gosh, I have to try it on right now. I love vampy colors. So let's go in with this new shade. My lips are a little bit stained from that watermelon soda one, but that's all right. This one is so dark, it's gonna cover it. I feel like this is one of those liquid lipsticks that you need a lip liner with because any sudden movement on the lip line, you're really gonna see it. So I had to go in very carefully applying this, but man, this is a gorgeous plum shade. What you can also see when you get really close, there is tiny little specks of micro glitters, very fine, not a lot of them so it doesn't look metallic-y, but you just see like a few little specks here and there, which look really pretty. All of the liquid lipsticks are $18, so at the end of the video, I am gonna give you guys a overall value and everything like that. So just a little update on the price. So far, I'm pretty happy with the selection of the lip colors I got. I didn't get anything too crazy out there. I got a little bit of a bolder shades, but nothing that I wouldn't wear, actually. So let's move on to the 4th item in the box. A pop socket. This has the Jeffree Star logo on it. It is in red, I'm guessing for Valentine's Day. They did say that with every mystery box there was going to be an exclusive accessory. This is it. There's nothing else in the box. I can see everything out on the table. I don't know, I'm a little bit disappointed in this. I was expecting something else. I mean, a pop socket's kind of just like me. Almost everyone has one by now. You know, maybe some out there don't have one. I actually do. I have one on my little phone case right here. So, I mean, yeah, it does look really cute. It does have his logo on it. It is in red for Valentine's Day. I believe their value they're putting on this is between $10 to $15. We'll see as we go along kind of at the end value what they're putting on it. Since this isn't on the website, I can't give you specifics, just that kind of price range. That's usually what pop sockets range between. But I mean, yeah, not much more I can say about that one. Let's move on to the next product. And next up in the box, the 5th item is one of the lip ammunitions. This one is in Starfish. Wow, the packaging of this is adorable. It's a little bullet. You just lift off the cap like so, and there it is. Oh man, this is another hot pink color. I'm gonna swatch it next to watermelon soda just to see the difference. Oh wow, this is like a baby pink. Right over here next to watermelon soda is Starfish, and it's a lot more pink than watermelon soda. Now that it's dried down with the watermelon soda, kind of looks a little bit more reddy pink, and then this one's like a pink pink. I am gonna put it on and give it a little test drive. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting to remove. I can't be the only one that thinks every time they have a dark lip up on top, it looks like a little mustache. Am I wrong? Oh man, it's so dorky sometimes. Let's go in with Starfish. Man, it's bright pink. It's definitely very pigmented. It is very creamy. It glides on, very opaque. This is one of those shades that is a shade for some, not for all. It's a little bit more about preference with these brighter colors. I've just never thought of myself as someone who could pull off a really baby pink lipstick. I feel like I look a little bit too much like Barbie. But it is really gorgeous. I'm definitely seeing the Valentine's Day theme in this box with the color scheme. Then the last item. I got one of the Skin Frosts. Woo! This one is in Deep Freeze. Whoa, this pan is massive. Whoa. Okay, that's not the color I was expecting, to be quite honest. Oh man, that is blue. Let's do a little arm swatch here of this highlighter. Wow. That has some pigment. Holy shiz. Feels really soft and creamy too, but man, that is a blue. The Skin Frosts are $29 and it's a huge pan. It's really large. It does not disappoint. I'm wondering, I really want to test it out for you guys, just so you can see. I mean, it does say you can use it on the eyes and the body. So I'm thinking I might highlight my collarbones because I'm gonna wear this makeup out and about. I don't know if I want blue highlighter on my face. Wow, that picks up pigment. Jesus. Whoa! Okay, pretty happy that I didn't put that on my face. I think I went in a little bit hardcore there. I'm wondering if I could just lightly tap into it, get a little bit of lighter color. Oh yeah, there you go. That looks a little bit better. That's a lot softer and a little bit more wearable for me because bright blue on my cheeks highlighted, I wouldn't really see myself wearing that. I would definitely use this for inner corner highlight or an all over the lid color. For the eyeshadow, that's probably what I'd use this for the most. I'm not that daring with my highlighter. I don't really do crazy colors. I like to stick to the pinky, goldy, rose gold kind of colors. Which, that was the last product in the box. Let's jump into talking about the box overall. I did receive 3 liquid lipsticks, 1 lip ammunition, 1 pop socket, and 1 Skin Frost highlighter. 6 items, not too bad. If you count the value of just these items, since we know the price on all of these, the value is $101. If you calculate in the pop socket, I'm guessing they put a price of $14 on it because then you can add it up. It will then be $115 in the value. And if you take away the initial $40 that you spent for the box, that will leave you the $75 worth in savings as they claim on the website. That's basically just buying 2 lip products and getting the rest of the items for free. So overall, I would say I'm really happy with my purchase. It is a little bit of a gamble when doing this, but I do think it paid off. I am definitely very excited to see what I'm gonna be getting inside of the deluxe box. Fingers crossed it's nothing that I already received right now, but we will find out once I receive that box. I will let you guys know on Instagram as soon as that box is in, when that video is gonna go live. But make sure you come back and check that out so we can find out together if we got some new good stuff. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Jeffree Star Mystery Box Valentine's Day edition. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.